So that was the assembly and cleanup of the utility knife sold by YouTuber AvE. Um, Pretty happy with this knife. It's got good weight to it, functions well, feels solid. Only gripes with it are these screws are popping through the back here. I'll probably just sand them down. Cool if it had a belt clip. Probably like make some of these solid and put one in there. I'm not going to do that, but just an idea. And the edges weren't great, which I kind of expected. He made that clear in his video. I kind of held them against a disc sander. Got some of them kind of flush, but I was running out of time. I just wanted to get this done. I might go back and do that, but it's not bad. I even started putting like a radius on it. It's because it's not the most comfortable knife. I don't think it's made to be like that, but I think the overall weight of it kind of helps with the feel. This is my knife that I usually carry. I'm a woodworker and I carry this every day. It's my favorite utility knife. It's the Tajima hard cutter. I like this more than that yellow Olfa one that he uses. Just look at the blade play. This one, it's got a lot, but this one it's weird. The further you put it out, the tighter it gets. But if you're holding it like this, it's loose. And the side to side is pretty similar on both of them. And this holds it nice and tight this way too. So does this. This is like a 18 millimeter, 3/4 blade. I feel like these are more common. They're just so flimsy. Ever since switching to a 1" or 25 mil, I just feel like a toy. And I snap these all the time because I got used to holding the blades out like this. Sometimes I'll be like trimming veneer on wood or something, so I'll hold the blade out far and use it to reference the side. But overall, pretty happy with this. It's about what I expected. I knew there would be cleanup. He makes that clear in his video. I think the cost is obviously a lot for a utility knife, but I think the materials it's made of, the amount that he's making, and just like the risk doing it is totally justifies the price. I also make things for clients, and I think that it's a fair price. So yeah, that's the knife.